Welcome to our channel. Today we're unboxing our very first women's watch on the channel, the Naviforce NF5012 Women's Fashion Watch. This watch has a unique face design and a beautiful maroon leather strap. It's more than just a watch, it's a fashion statement. The leather strap is adjustable to fit your wrist perfectly, making it comfortable to wear all day long. Just look at this. The dark red maroon dial has a stunning sunburst effect. The 3D designs of flowers, stars, and diamond decorations add a special touch. This watch looks great with any outfit, whether you're dressing up for a formal event or keeping it casual. Its simple, elegant design makes it a perfect fit. With 30mm waterproof support, you can wear this watch while washing your hands or on rainy days. Just avoid wearing it while sailing or doing water sports. Made with a golden plating zinc alloy case and Hardlex mineral glass, this watch has a 36mm case diameter, a 7.8mm case thickness, and a strap width of 44mm. It weighs about 51 grams, combining style and comfort. The dark red maroon dial with its unique sunburst effect is adorned with intricate 3D designs of flowers and stars, along with diamond decorations that sparkle beautifully. NF5012 Women's Fashion Watch, timeless elegance for every occasion. Discover the perfect blend of style and function. And the best part? This watch is powered by the reliable Seiko AL21 Quartz movement, ensuring accurate and precise timekeeping. The Naviforce NF5012 comes in a lovely box, making it a perfect gift for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, and other special occasions. So, what do you think about the Naviforce NF5012? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews and horology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.